we got Dave. I tried this a couple of weeks ago. I haven't played this song in forever, but my hands are shot. But I'm a huge Richard Thompson fan.
Yeah.
And he'd be embarrassed to see me play this song.
No, he wouldn't.
But he's not here.
No, thank you.
This is a song about a ne'er-do-well young man. It's the eternal triangle. A young man who's on the bad side of the law, his red-headed girlfriend, and his motorcycle. In this case, a Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. Said Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. Girl could feel special on any such like. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's a Vincent Black Lightning, 1952. I seen you on the corners, the cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he pulled her on behind, down the Box Hill he'd ride. Said James to Red Molly, there's a ring for your right hand. I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. I fought with the law since I was 17. Robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. I'm now 21, might make 22, and I don't mind dying for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, so I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, said Sergeant McCrae. We captured James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, let nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. She got to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. Still he smiled to see her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Said James, in my opinion, that nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Greaves and Indians, the Cotties, they won't do. They don't have the soul, the Vincent 52. He reached for her hand, he slipped her the keys, saying, I got no further use for these. I see angels and aerials on leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. Almost. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent. About 30%.
Good job. Yeah.
Thank you.